This arrangement right here, it's got 0 foam in it, just chicken wire and a couple minutes of prep time. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm Darlene from Petal Academy. Today I'm going to show you a sustainable way to create flowers using chicken wire. So I've got a piece of chicken wire here that's a little bit bigger than the diameter of my container. Usually about double is what I suggest. I'm going to throw on a pair of gloves here. You can do this with your bare hands, but gloves definitely make it easier. And I'm going to take this chicken wire and just roll it into a ball. We call these chicken balls when we're done. So I'm kind of forming it into a log. I'm just taking the little clasps and sort of attaching them together. And then I'm going to bend it in half again. What I'm really trying to do is to create a couple of layers so that my stems can engage into that chicken wire. And I'm just pushing that right into my vessel, just so that it's kind of level with the top of my vessel. Then I'm going to take some clear 1/4-inch tape and I'm going to just do a couple of grid lines across the top of my vessel. You want to take them so that they're locking that piece of chicken wire into place. You can put as many grid lines on your vase as you need, but I usually find that 4 is usually great. 4 to 6 is great. If you want extra security, sometimes I also recommend going around the outside of your container. And that's it. You're gonna wanna add some water to this, so bring it up to the flower level. I love this because it's sustainable and it's easy for beginners because you can move stems around in your arrangement with freedom. Hopefully this little tip helps you. Tag us on Petal Academy and make sure to subscribe down below. We give flower tips every week so that you can work with flowers with ease and joy. Thanks for watching. Take care.